going to be doing a manual muscle test. And my first one is going to be for shoulder flexion. So I'm going to test her for, see if she gets a full range of motion. I'm going to instruct her to hold at a 90 degrees angle, palpate here, the anterior deltoid, and then I'm going to apply my resistance here at the distal humerus. So with my resistance, she's able to hold it. So this will be considered a grade 5. Again, with the same position, apply my resistance at the same distal humerus, apply my resistance, and she breaks a little. So this will be a grade 4. Movement, MMT strength. I'm going to be doing a shoulder abduction, MMT for the mid deltoid area. So I'm going to instruct her to abduct to a full 90 degrees, and I'm going to apply my resistance here. Okay, so with my resistance, she's able to hold. So this will be considered a 5. Once again, I'm going to palpate at this area, apply my resistance here, and then she breaks a little. So this will be a grade 4 out of 5. One, I'm going to be doing elbow flexion, and my stability is going to be on the anterior portion of the shoulder, which is right here. And I'm going to have the patient flex, go through a full range of motion like that. And then my resistance is going to be at the proximal of the wrist right here, and I'm going to be pulling towards myself. That is where I'm going to apply the resistance. So with this, she's able to hold my resistance, and this will be considered a 5 out of 5. Once again, stabilizing here, applying my resistance here, pulling, I feel a slight break. So this will be a 4 out of 5. With my patient lying in a prone position, I'm going to be doing a manual muscle test for shoulder external rotation. So I'm going to externally rotate the arm of my patient. I'm going to apply my resistance here. That is proximal to the wrist, and I'm going to be pushing down towards the floor. So stabilizing here, the teres major area with my resistance here. I push down to the floor, and she's able to hold, and this will be considered a 5. Once again, stabilizing the teres major area, applying my resistance to the proximal to the wrist. I'm going to be pushing to the floor, and I feel a slight break. So this will be a 4 out of 5.